Okay, so good morning to all, and in Teams, I hope it's working normally, yeah. Thank you for being here, and it's a real pleasure to start this day of workshop around bioinformatics, and we are delighted to welcome you here. This workshop is entitled Computational Analysis and Multiomics in Oncology, and will give you an overview of the field of bioinformatics in the service of oncology, different diseases and patients. This day will be divided in two parts with coffee break during the morning and afternoon, which will be available just at the entrance of the restaurant, the hospital restaurant. And also you have a booklet with the abstract just at the entrance of the amphitheater. So we are four to organize this day. Axel and I, we are PhD students purely in biology. But interdisciplinary is very important, and we are delighted to have been able to organize this day. We were helped by Bruno Ségui, who is also the Deputy Director of Care Program, which is financing this day, and also Vera Pancaldi, an expert in bioinformatics in CRCT. So thank you both for your help and your support. So as I said, we are the support of Care Program, and we thank them. And so I just give the stage to Bruno to tell us a little more about this program.
Thank you, Agathe. Thank you, Axel, for organizing this workshop. So I'm very glad to introduce this workshop together with Agathe and Axel. Just to give you a brief introduction on the Care Graduate School I am in charge of, together with Philippe Vallée, who is professor at the Paul Sabatier University, and the head of the Restore Institute, which is dedicated to cancer, to aging, sorry. So the Care Graduate School is basically dedicated to a master PhD education program of 5 years. So it's an interdisciplinary education program, including workshops. And this is very important for us. This kind of workshops are part of the education program for master and PhD students. And this is tightly linked. This is a way to tightly link education and research, from fundamental research to the clinic and back. And also, one of the main aims of the Care Graduate School is to establish an international network with academic and non-academic partners, and to offer the possibility for students to get internships in Toulouse lab and abroad from the Master 1. And from 2020, where we started, so this Care Graduate School program, we enrolled 24 Master 1 students, 21 Master 2 students, and almost 59 PhD students, including 9 that were funded by UPS, CARE, and Fondation Toulouse Cancer Santé, and Ligue contre le cancer, Département 31. And we also offer the possibility of international mobilities for students in master degree and also in PhD. And so far, we funded 8 internships abroad, and 5 international students from abroad so came to Toulouse lab, thanks to the Care Graduate School program. So you have all the details on this program on the website. So please don't hesitate to have a look and see if we can collaborate on this program. Thank you very much again for you guys for coming. Thank you to the speakers for accepting to give a talk during this workshop. And again, I'd like to thank Agathe and Axel for organizing this workshop. So this is a very nice day. I hope you will enjoy. And I'd like also to acknowledge Jean-Pierre Delors, who offered the coffee breaks, and also who welcomed us here at the auditorium. Thank you very much indeed.